On the off chance that you're searching for torrential slide cost expectations gauge for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030, and as far as plans and purposes, need to be aware where the costs of torrential slide, AVAX, will for the most part go from now on. We will basically examine the truly past costs of torrential slide, AVAX, and we'll figure out what specialists generally are talking about its future cost activities, which is genuinely huge. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you want to take this forecast, and each especially other expectation with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master investigators. Also, anticipating something so amazing really is totally inconceivable. Yet, we will make an honest effort in an unobtrusive manner. We should by and large beginning amazingly. Torrential slide sort of past value examination as per the most recent information accumulated. The genuinely current cost of torrential slide in every practical sense is $9.37, and AVAX is presently position number 20 in the whole crypto environment, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The dissemination supply of torrential slide essentially is 353,816,682 with a market cap of $3,313,633,538. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been most certainly diminished by 0.61% in its ongoing worth, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Assuming we look at the ongoing business sector cap of the AVAX with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is likewise down, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Torrential slide for the most part is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with genuinely other crypto coins. The AVAX is down to nearly 6.28% over the most recent 7 days. The coin for the most part is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for truly beyond couple of days. The coin could by and large have areas of strength, for certainly however, we don't imagine that it would a beneficial resource in present moment. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of AVAX truly diminished by 55.907%, disposing of an incredible typical amount of $11.87 from its in every practical sense current worth in opposition to mainstream thinking. This unexpected down basically implies that the coin explicitly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can really be a decent essentially purchase a potential open door for fast speculation. The 90 days cost change explicitly is near 47.36%, and the cost circled from a base pretty typical cost of $16.54 to most extreme normal cost of $18.27. In the truly beyond 90 days in an unpretentious manner, torrential slide is somewhere near 22.47%. With the greatest typical cost of the coin sort of was around $11.78, and the base typical value of was around $11.56 in beyond 4 months in a significant way. We anticipate future torrential slide cost expectations of AVAX gauge by applying extremely profound man-made brain power, help specialized examination on the in every way that really matters, past value information of torrential slide, which generally is very critical. We in every practical sense give our altogether most extreme authentic information for the AVAX coin, which incorporate different boundaries like past value, torrential slide market cap, torrential slide volume and hardly any more. Assuming that you are hoping to put resources into advanced digital forms of money and need great profit from especially your speculations, basically try to peruse our expectations as a matter of fact. Torrential slide value expectation 2023. According to the estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the cost of torrential slide is really anticipated to for the most part reach at any rate level of $13.85. The AVAX cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $16.26. With the typical exchanging cost of $14.49, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Torrential slide value expectation 2024, as per our profound specialized examination on lovely past value information of AVAX, in 2024, the cost of torrential slide especially is determined to by and large be at around and in every way that really matters, least worth of $20.33, in a sort of huge manner. The torrential slide value worth can arrive at an essentially limit of $24.45. with the typical exchanging worth of $21.05 in United States dollars, which is very critical. AVAX value gauge for 2025. The cost of torrential slide is anticipated to reach at least worth of $30.04 in 2025. The torrential slide cost could explicitly arrive at a most extreme worth of $34.85, with the typical exchanging cost of $30.89. All through 2025. Torrential slide, AVAX, value expectation 2026. The cost of torrential slide explicitly is anticipated to, in a real sense, reach at any rate worth of $43.21 in 2026, or so they generally thought. The torrential slide cost could arrive at an, in every practical sense, greatest worth of $52.65, with the by and large normal exchanging cost of $44.44 all through 2026. Torrential slide value forecast 2027. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of AVAX, in 2027, the cost of torrential slide is anticipated to really reach at a sort of least degree of $64.71. The AVAX cost can, in a real sense, arrive at a most extreme degree of $75.69, with the typical exchanging cost of $66.49, which sort of is very critical. Torrential slide value expectation 2028. Torrential slide cost is figured to arrive at a flat-out most minimal genuinely conceivable degree of $89.60 in 2028. According to our discoveries, the AVAX cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $113.74, with the exceptionally normal gauge cost of $92.92. In spite of mainstream thinking, torrential slide, AVAX, value expectation 2029. According to the conjecture and specialized examination, in 2029, the cost of torrential slide is supposed to reach at a by and large lease value worth of $127.42. Exceptionally, in spite of prevalent thinking, the AVAX cost can generally arrive at a most extreme value worth of $152.90, with the typical worth of $131.14. Torrential slide value figure 2030. Torrential slide cost basically is conjecture to arrive at a sort of the least truly conceivable degree of $185.27 in 2030. According to our discoveries, the AVAX cost could arrive at a genuinely most extreme conceivable degree of $221.41, with the typical conjecture cost of $190.51. Incredibly, torrential slide, AVAX, value expectation 2031. The cost